Hi, welcome back to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy. Today we are going to take a look at the Walmart beauty boxes. I had never heard of the Walmart beauty box, and then I saw somebody talking about it and I was like, I wonder if what it is, how it does, if it's worth the money. And because I'd never heard of it, I wonder, sorry, my hair is kind of going everywhere today. All right. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy, and today we are going to be talking about the Walmart beauty boxes. I honestly had never heard of these until recently, and when I did, I was very curious to see what they are, how everything is, if it's worth the money, if it's worth your time to do. So I went ahead and picked them up. There's two separate ones. There's one for around $7, and that's the regular one. It comes in a box that looks like this. It is a fall box. They do these quarterly. This one is the fall box. So let's take a look. Let's open this up and see what you get for $7. Kind of lightweight, but it does make some noise. So let's take a look. Okay, this is what the box looks like when you first open it. There's a little pamphlet. Fall haul has all the products listed. Um, All right, so the thing that made the most noise is the Arm & Hammer Complete Care Whole Mouth Protection Toothpaste. It is a small 0.9 ounce, so it's like a small little travel one. All right, now this is pretty. This is a Heritage by Mindy McKnight. It is a scrunchie, and it is in that pretty blue, and it is kind of like a satiny type material, which I like. I like these. The satin and the velvet, they tend to not like pull my hair out. My hair comes out enough as it is anyway. So the next item, Milani New Highly Rater Anti-Gravity Mascara. It is a small, like a sample size, but not too small. You know, I think you could get a few uses out of it and see if it's worth buying. It's a good way to try out a mascara without paying, a ton of money for it. So I'll be interested in trying that out. I haven't. Okay, the next thing is Liquid IV Energy Multiplier. Uh, this is a pineapple flavor. Interested to try that out, see how that works. I don't necessarily need more energy though. I don't sleep much. So this next thing is another sample of Splat Naturals Conditioning Semi-Permanent Hair Color. And I haven't tried any kind of like that bright purple. I do color my hair. It is kind of like a burgundy color. Next is the little card to go with that Liquid IV. And then the last thing is a sample of, okay, Thayer's toner. I don't use any toners, so this isn't something I would use. But for $7, this is what you get. Just some samples of some things, which are, it's always good to be able to sample some items and see. Now, the next one is, this one was $19.99 or something like that. This is called the BeautySpaceNK at Walmart, and it is the larger beauty box. It is a lot heavier. The box looks the same. It was wrapped with this, but I pre-opened it so that I wouldn't have trouble on camera because, All right, so here's what it looks like so far. You've got your little pamphlet here telling you about the products. All right, so let's see what we got. And here we got this little black thing. Oh, that's cute. It's a little beauty bag. It's kind of like that, I want to say like neoprene material. decent size, especially for a small, it's about the length of my hand there, just so that you can visualize the length is about the same size of my hand. So it would fit all of your, you know, for a day traveling makeup. Not if you wear a ton, but I don't wear a ton. So it would fit actually all of my normal. Okay, so this one is interesting. This is called Philip B. Um, Peppermint Avocado Shampoo, Scalp Invigorator, Volumizing, Peppermint Oil, and Avocado Oil. Wonder how this smells. It smells like peppermint, or did not pre-open this, so oh, it opened pretty easily. Oh, that is very pepperminty. It reminds me of the smell of like tea tree oil, which I don't really care for like that much of a pepperminty smell, especially if it was on my head. I think that would really bother me, but interesting little sample. If I don't use it, I can give it to somebody else. So next we have a sample of Beauty Space Jasmine and Rose hand wash. If you can see that there. It is just like a one-time use of that. We have some this is Sport Waterproof Mascara. It's a little trial size. I don't typically wear waterproof mascara. It has a nice curved thing there. Because it feels too heavy on my eyelashes. My eyelashes are pretty thick, and if I wear waterproof, it just feels like a weight on my eyes. So next we have Grow Gorgeous. This is a volume body leave-in serum. Oh, that's nice. I always like a good serum for my hair. Let's see how it smells though. Another one of those pesky little aluminum things, which keeps it all from going everywhere in the box, obviously. But oh, that one doesn't have a smell. Not really. It's very, very faint. So well, the texture is very typical of a serum. And since it's on my hand, I'm just going to go ahead, put it on my hair. I tend to put any serums. Oh, that is actually scented. Didn't realize it until it all came out, but it is a little strong. So I'm not sure. I have family members who are very sensitive to smells. My mom and my boyfriend, very, very sensitive to smells. Both of them can choke and have problems with different scents. So, all right. Oh, this is a Babe Lash Essential Serum for your eyelashes. I've never used a serum on my eyelashes. This is a 6-week supply. Let's see how it. Excuse me. The smell of that serum is actually a lot stronger than I thought. Oh, pretty gold packaging. And how would you apply this? Oh, it's got a teeny tiny little brush. Looks like you would apply that to your actual lash line like you do eyeliner. Interesting. Maybe I'll try it and see. This is a 6-week supply. It says 88% saw longer looking lashes within 6 weeks. 86% bolder lashes. So it's evidently supposed to make your eyelashes longer and fuller. My eyelashes are pretty long and full as it is. So it's not maybe something I need. Okay, this is Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. Not sure what this is for just yet. Oh, it's face powder, and it's a little sample. Again, typically not something I use. This is very white. Comes in a cute little thing here. So I guess you would just use a brush, maybe under your eyes to set your makeup. And And I just got it all over my jeans. All right, so much more in the $20 box. All right, so last item in the box is this Mood Mask Get Dewy With It Mega Moisture Sheet Mask. Patchology. I do enjoy a good mask, so this I will use as long as the smells are not too strong. It's got Rose of Jericho, Jackie algae, hyaluronic acid, and it has one mask inside. And it says that it's a sheet mask. I've never used a sheet mask. Usually it's like something you put on your face, you let it harden, you pull it off. So I've never used a sheet mask, but I will definitely try that out. So the $20 box is definitely worth the $20, I think. You get quite a bit in there. Here's it all packaged together, and you can sample some items and see if they actually work for you. If anything in here I don't want, I will give it away to other people. The $6, $7 box, sorry. It's pretty much just samples of things, except for the hair scrunchie. I definitely will use that. But I'm interested to try some of the things. And if I don't, again, I will give it away to somebody who will. And both of those boxes came pretty quickly. About 2 weeks from the time I ordered them. I ordered them both on the same day. And again, the one box is $7, and the other box, the BeautySpaceNK, sorry, is about $20. So a good deal for some sample items. It gives you an opportunity to try out new products without purchasing the whole product. So not a bad deal. All right, so if you like this type of content, I do on my channel all things frugal. So I test out products. I do some of these kinds of things to see if it's worth the money so that you don't waste yours. And I also, I also do DIYs, how to save money on DIYs, how to save money on clothes, different clothing hauls, different Dollar Tree hauls. If you like this type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I would like to do so by the end of this year. I'm still pretty far away, but I think we can do it. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and then you'll know when I upload. I have not hit a regular schedule yet with my uploads because I am still trying to figure out when the best time to upload for me is. And, so you don't always know when it's coming. And if you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, you'll always know. And if you would leave me a comment below, let me know what you think of the beauty box. Have you tried these out? Are you interested in getting them? Just leave me a comment below. Let me know. And that'll be all for today. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.